If you're not using these shortcuts, you're seriously wasting time. And once you start using them, you'll be editing 100 times faster. Let's kick things off with the first 3 shortcuts that will help you trim that fat off your footage in no time. First, open up your keyboard shortcuts, set Q to ripple trim previous, W to add edit, and E to ripple trim next. Hit OK, and now it's time to hit the chopping board. With Q, you can slice off everything before the playhead. W gives you that clean cut right at the playhead, and E chops everything after it. Super quick, super clean. Now onto those annoying timeline gaps. Let's fix that. Open up keyboard shortcuts, search for close gap, and assign it to any key you like. Perfect. Now you can instantly close all the gaps in your sequence or just the ones you select. No more dragging clips around. Last but not the least, the extend shortcut, an absolute lifesaver. This saves you from zooming in those pesky small clips and removes the hassle of the drag. Try this. In the keyboard shortcuts, search extend and assign extend next and extend previous to the key you desire. Now when you want to make a trim clip longer, just tap a key instead of dragging it out with your mouse. Try these out and your future self will thank you for it. These shortcuts have saved me hours and hours of editing time.